Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. So this isn't the full haymaking video, but as you can see, it's in full swing. So I just wanted to talk to you guys about spillage, which in Breaking Bad is basically allowing for lost meth in their terms, but in this case it's lost hay. So when I go around the field, and we've been having issues with bales, normally what happens is generally a lot of the bananas or the bales we have issues with that we've left on the ground end up chopped up later on with a topper. So this time we've gone round as he's obviously putting bales on the ground. So for example, I estimated there's about 40 bales on the ground of spillage. If you sell your bales at £4 a bale, that's 4, 8, 12, that's 160 quid there. So at the minute you can see there's 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, maybe 8 up there, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We've managed to make another 15 so far. There's a couple more strips on the ground either side. So obviously it was never going to turn back into 40, as you do lose a bit on the floor. However, even if he's just gone and got himself 20 out of this lot, because there's one over there as well and one down there that would come out of his 2. Even if he just goes and gets 20 back, that's still another 80 quid. So rather than leaving it on the ground, there's another 80 quid towards your diesel. So yeah, pretty good. So top of the top, well, it's looking pretty much there. There's a few little piles of hay that can be scooped up or realigned or missed, and then it'll be down onto the bottom. So what I'm going to do now is get out of his way so we can go through this bit with the baler, and I'll start loading up some of the hay. So yeah, full swing. There will be a proper GoPro video. I am recording it, but I thought we'd give you a sneak peek, a bit of an update, and we'd talk about, well, spillage. So yeah, going good, enjoying it. Yeah, better than last year. I hated it last year. Sun's hotter this year though, there's no wind. Normally there's a lot of wind. That's one of the reasons why I got rid of the drone, because my drone just used to struggle in the wind. So yeah, time for a quick breather, move the tractor out the way, and maybe we'll enjoy ourselves a Hawkstone lager for a bit of a break. Right guys, video next week for haymaking potentially, maybe even by the weekend yet, depends how things go. Currently we've got 150 bales in the barn, should be getting about another 100 in the barn out of here, so happy days. Take care guys.